Hey everyone, Gareth here from Exposed Wolf. Welcome to another video. Today I want to talk about the power of blogging. Now you might be wondering, why am I shooting a video? Surely I should just be writing a blog about it. Well, the good thing about the power of video is that it's the easiest way to write a blog. Why? Because we talk a lot faster than we write. So what I do is I pump out all my videos and then I get those videos transcribed into text format. And that gives me all my content that I need, and then I can just flesh it out a bit. You know, a little bit of editing might be needed, but you know, it's all so much quicker than actually sitting down and having to think and write it all out. So statistics show that you need 75 blogs on your website. Once you reach that level, you'll see exponential growth with the amount of website visitors and engagement that you'll get. So what better way to reach 75 blogs than to just pump out 75 videos, get it all transcribed, and away you go. And that's all I wanted to say today. I hope you got something out of this. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and I'll see you on the next one.